In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your sway bar links in your Kis Soul. They're located behind your front wheels. I'm going to use a 21mm socket to take off the front wheel. I'm going to use a 17mm socket to remove this nut. If it starts to spin on you, you're going to need to grab it from behind. So I'm going to use some locking pliers to hold it still. All right, once you have that one free, you can start on the back. I'm going to use a 19mm socket. All right, so we are going to place our link in place. I'm going to snug up our nuts. When we are tightening these, you're going to want to use a 17mm wrench to hold the inside from spinning. So you're just going to gently place that in between where you see the two flat spots. And you're going to snug these up. 18mm socket. So we are going to torque this to 72 foot-pounds. All right, we're going to put our wheel back on. Start our lug nuts. You're going to snug these down in a star-like pattern. Now that we have the vehicle on the ground, we are going to torque our wheels to 80 foot-pounds with a 21mm socket. We're going to do this in a star-like pattern, and then we're going to check it again.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.